Is going to have NRM structure elections at the district level tomorrow, and even here in Kanungu, preparation is in high gear. The office of the registrar for NRM at the district level is now receiving the nominees, those who want to be nominated for the various positions, and the exercise will continue up tomorrow morning when all the delegates will gather here at the playground in Kanungu, and we shall have a baraza where we shall explain how the process is going to be carried out, and then the various candidates will be given an opportunity maybe to introduce themselves to the voters, and then they will be voted, and the voting shall be by lining up. This election of NRM has generated a lot of interest and motivation among the NRM members. Even here, I was just checking in the registrar's office. The candidates who are coming for nomination are quite many, meaning many people have interest in these positions, and which is good for democracy. So we encourage democratic participation of the citizens, and they are indeed participating, and we hope we shall have a peaceful election. My appeal to all those who are involved in the election, both here in Kanungu but the whole country, is that this is an internal party election, and it should not call for any violence or any conflict, because members of the party are expressing their interest and canvassing for support amongst their fellow members, and people will line up behind their preferred candidates. Whoever gets a bigger number will be declared the winner. If your numbers are lower than the winning contestant, don't feel bad. Don't take it as if you are not wanted by the voters. That's how elections are. So, and you should be able to reconcile immediately thereafter, so that we continue promoting unity within the NRM party.
I have been in Kanungu for a long time. I've worked with politicians, I worked with development partners. I even contested for festival chairperson last time. So when you simply say Simo Charles Wamahata, actually they have a common word, they say Kanungu yone kutejeis. So I am very sure that on Friday, the people of Kanungu will listen to the voices and the calls of the population of Kanungu to put me into that position as the NRM chairperson for Kanungu, and will bring sanity in our district.